I love the fact that you're calling this segment, John, how to not let an insurance company ruin your closing. And it's fascinating because this is coming from an insurance company. So, John, what do you mean by that?
Working with an insurance company that doesn't really understand the process of getting a mortgage and purchasing a home, we speak a different language, right? You know, insurance, mortgage, insurance, real estate. We do speak a little bit of a different language. So dealing with the wrong insurance company can prevent you from closing on your home. It can delay the closing. It can cause a lot of issues. And there's really 4 ways that insurance can mess up your closing, right? And the first one is price. Mm-hmm. And Matt, you see this a lot, right? When you're going to pre-approve somebody for a mortgage, you put into their estimate for their monthly mortgage payment what the insurance is going to cost, right? The homeowner's insurance.
It's a very important one.
Yeah, so you estimate what the home insurance is going to cost. And then that person still has to go out and get a real quote, though. They have to come out and get an insurance quote. And suppose they come back with an insurance quote that is $100 a month higher than you estimated, Matt.
Right.
That can mess up their debt ratio. It can make them no longer qualify, and it just creates a headache.
And that could cause an extension as well. And that creates a headache for everyone.
So the next one is coverage, right?
Coverage.
And having not sufficient coverage. So Matt and his team at Movement, any lender that you work with when you're getting a mortgage is going to require you to produce an insurance binder, proof of insurance. On that binder, it's going to show the amount of coverage you have on the policy. A lender is going to require you to either carry enough coverage for the loan amount on the home to cover the loan amount, or to show that the home is covered to the replacement cost of the home. Now, if you're dealing with, we talked about discount services earlier. If you're dealing with a discount service insurance company, or you're dealing with a company that is not as thorough, you might find that when they send that binder, it's not sufficient for what the mortgage company is requiring for coverage. So number 3 is if the binder comes in wrong. And this is kind of 3 and 4 one and the same. 4 is dealing with an unresponsive company. So if the binder comes in wrong, they're going to need that corrected, right? There's a few things that need to be on the binder. The binder needs to show the mortgagee clause. It needs to show the loan number. It needs to show the coverage amounts, the policy effective dates, and the premium on the policy. If any of those things are off, they need to get fixed. And you'd like to think that your lender, or you as a client, can call up your insurance agent and get that fixed in like 30 seconds. It's a simple fix. It's a few keystrokes.
Sometimes a text message.
And a text message, exactly. And we do this all the time with Matt. We're not perfect. Human error comes into play. But if something needs to get fixed on the binder, we get on it right away, because we realize that if that binder's not correct, they're not getting clear to close on the loan. Nothing's happening until that's correct. If you request something to be changed on that binder, typically, you can get in first of all, you get connected with Mike to Sally, then Ron, and you don't know who you're talking to. But on average, it can take up to 48 hours to get that binder back.
Yeah,
right?
it's annoying. Super annoying.
And that would go with hand in hand with the communication with number 4,
dealing with an
like
unresponsive agent.